happening here, John?
All right, so the dent is like, look at the car. See, dent, giant fucking dent. It's really hard to get out. So, like, I'm using all of my force through a little tiny hole that there's in there, and I can't get the dent to pop out. Well, I can, but my fucking legs hurt. My weak leg, my strong leg hurt. So we're gonna take this basketball, and we're gonna deflate it, and then we're gonna put it in the hole, and then air it up to like 150 pounds.
Okay.
And then 50 psi, or 50 psi, right? Think like 10 square inches. That's like 500 foot-pounds of force.
It's gotta be. That's gotta just fix that.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure this is what they do at body shops.
I've got a football too.
Yeah, see what I mean, dude? It is so bad.
Hey,
oh,
you're ruining the shot,
so
bro.
rank.
I gotta do it over
So
again.
rank.
Sorry.
John ripped ass, and this whole video set's just ruined. Those eggs just
You're a very inconsiderate fellow.
burning up the shop. Oh yeah,
Source.
right at the source. Look at that deflated ball.
Yeah, this is like me a
that's
couple
what
nights
I'm
ago.
Yeah, just depleted. Hashtag sucked dry. It's like a grape.
All right.
All right, shove her in.
In the hole.
See, I don't know if we can get an angle on it here. Shove her in nice and deep, like.
I think this may be multiple attempts at airing up.
Oh
but
yeah, it will be. Oh yeah, it is.
Oh my god, that works so well.
It's blistering the paint off of it, but
Who fucking cares?
Yeah.
Nuts.
Is it working well?
Yeah. I'm gonna reposition the ball now.
all right, give her shit. Take two, attempt two.
Yeah.
Ball's lower.
From like here to here.
The ball has dropped. Here we go.
We're at fucking 20 psi. You think a basketball fails?
I don't know.
Yo, it's moving here.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. Look at there it goes. Holy shit. How much pressure are you at?
35. Look at the panel. So, this is working really, really well. So we're gonna get some more balls. Although, I never thought I would actually be doing this to a car like this. There's 3 basketballs in there.
Three balls in one hole.
3 balls, 1 hole.
It is really cool to just go.
No!